Good morning friends, welcome to this winter gardening of my balcony garden and lots of colorful flowers in this winter. It's so amazing, beautiful. As you can see, red, blue, magenta, violet and so many color. And see how beautiful the morning started with the sunshine ray which glorify my flowers. These are aster flower. Name of these flowers are aster. This pink, dark pink and yellow inside it, they are called aster. And aster flower are quite similar like dahlia, but the color and petal is little different. If both flowers are in side by side, then you can differentiate them. And here is in same pink plant, but I have the another variation which is light pink. That means because of sun and other things, same plant give me two color of flowers, that dark pink and this light pink aster as well. And beside that there is another aster which is violet. So violet or purple is so nice and beautiful that it looks that it's not real. It seems it is like paper flower, but all they are real. And this winter I am very happy to have them in my garden. And they have nothing to do any special or anything else. As a gardener, you just have to buy them and keep them in your garden, because after winter they are going to die and they will not survive in the summer. So I have to just put them into sun so that they get enough sun all day long as it is come in my garden. So I just got in the morning sun for 1.5 hours, and sometimes it is not even come though. Then in after 3 p.m, that means after morning, it get another 2 to 3 hours of sun. That's it. So they got that sun and just a little water when the soil are completely dry. And another beauty of this winter is petunia. Petunia is must. So every time I bring any kind of winter flower, so petunia is the first priority. So this time I've been collected 4-5 types of them because I just was so much obsessed of them. Eventually they are not going to survive as usual. I couldn't survive them for next year, so I don't want to lie. See how beautiful this white petunia is. This petunia just amazing. I just love white flower as well. So in summer you can see I have lots of white flower. Beside that, my new addition is zinnia. It is orange zinnia. I have two color of zinnia this year, this orange zinnia, and beside that this white petunia, and just beside that this reddish that means red and white stripe petunia. This red and white petunia is amazing. I could not leave them in just plant shop. I have to take them with me in my garden. Now it is February is starting. So February, March, April, these 3 months I can have this petunia and this gada as well. Also this marigold or gada also will be survive till the March. And here is the red zinnia, and I think you are not getting the color correctly because of the camera and light content. It is pure red. And of course marigold or genda flower are as usual blooming continuously. Then this aster flower who are glorifying my garden this February. It is February, so I'm giving you the February update of my garden. Of course dianthus also there, but they are already dried and I cut them out. And surprisingly, these blue days is just make me amazed in this winter. I didn't expect as much as flower in this winter. I knew they will also bloom in winter, but look at them. They just bloom in huge amount in this February.